So, good morning children, welcome back to the video classes. So, in the previous video, we have studied 1.4 and 1.5. Hope that there may be no doubt in that video. Now, in this class, we are going to see about 1.6, how we are going to solve. Okay, let's see. 4-point charges QA, QB, QC and QD are located at the corners of the square of side 10 centimeter. Okay, so let us consider a square of side 10 centimeter. Okay, so 10 centimeter. QA, QB. Okay, so it may be taken as A, B, C and D. Okay, so a charge of QA. Here QA equal to 2 microcoulomb. So QA equal to 2 microcoulomb. Convert the microcoulomb into coulomb. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Okay. So QB is a charge of minus 5. So QB equal to minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 or minus 5 microcoulomb. Okay. So QB is minus 5 microcoulomb. So minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. QC is 2 microcoulomb. The charge at the corner QC is 2 microcoulomb. So QC equal to 2 microcoulomb. Convert the microcoulomb into coulomb. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. And QD is minus 5 coulomb. So at QD we can place minus 5 microcoulomb. So QD is minus 5 microcoulomb. So minus 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Okay. Of side 10 centimeter. Okay. So what is the force on a charge plus 1 microcoulomb is placed at the center. Okay. So how we can calculate the center? So the point of intersection of the diagonals. Point of intersection of the diagonals gives the center. At the center, we are placing 1 microcoulomb of charge. So the charge at the origin is plus 1 microcoulomb. Now convert the microcoulomb into coulomb. So 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Okay. So what is the force? So we are going to calculate the force. Okay. So what is the formula for force? So we know that 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R square. Okay. So first I am going to calculate the force between these two. Okay. QA and QO. But I don't know what is the distance between two. Okay. So to calculate the distance between O and A, so we can get A root 2 by 2 is the formula. Okay. So what is A? A is 10. So 10 root 2 by 2. So 1 2 is 2, 5 2s are 10. Then it becomes 5 root 2 centimeter. So the distance between A to O or O to A is 5 root 2 centimeter. Okay. So now we are going to calculate the force between O and A. So I want to take force between O and A is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. Okay. So Q0 into QA by R square. Okay. 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. 9 into 10 to the power 9. Into Q0, the charge at the origin. 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Into QA. So what is QA? 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by R squared. That is 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, do you get it now? Do you have any doubt? No doubt. Okay, so we can separate the numbers. So 9 into 2 into 10 to the power 9. Here minus 6. Here it is minus 6. The minus 2 goes to the numerator as plus 2. The minus 2 goes to the numerator as plus 2. Okay. So root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2. 2. So 2 into 5. 10. So 5 into 10. Okay. So 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. Divided by 5 into 10 to the power. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. Here we can get minus 6, minus 12. So plus 13, minus 12. It becomes plus 1. So 10 to the power plus 1. Here we are having plus 1. This plus 1 goes to the numerator as minus 1. So plus 1, minus 1 getting cancelled. So anything power 0, 1. 1 into something, something. Okay. Now 1, 5 is 5. So 3 5s are 15. Remainder 3. So when you put the decimal point, then we can add 0. So 30. So 6 5s are 30. So force between O and A is 3.6 Newton. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubts? No doubts. Okay. Now, just I want to go to the opposite sides. QC and QO. Okay. So force between O and C. Okay. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q naught into QC divided by R square. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q naught. 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. QC into 2 into 10 to the power minus. Divided by R squared. 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Just compare these two substitutions. 9 into 10 to the power 9, 9 into 10 to the power 9. 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. And you see the denominator, it's also same. So, automatically, by skipping these two steps, finally we can go to the same answer, 3.6 Newton. Okay. So, force between OA and OC. Force between OA and OC is equal to 3.6 Newton. Okay. Now, it's plus 2 microcoulomb. It's plus 1 microcoulomb. So, these two are experiences a repulsive force. Okay, first one. Second, it has a greater magnitude. So, this one repels that one. So, it acts in the direction A to O. The same case, here it is 2, here it is 1. Positive, repel each other. It has a greater magnitude. Once again, it acts. Okay, now see that 2 arrowhead, both are acting in the opposite direction of equal magnitude. So, the magnitude is equal and acting in the opposite direction. Automatically, they cancel each other. So, force due to these two becomes 0. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts. So, now we are going to see the force between O and B. Okay. So, the force between O and B, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 QO QB divided by R square. Okay. So, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, 9 into 10 to the power 9. The charge at the origin is 1 microcoulomb, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 into QB is 5 microcoulomb. So, 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by R squared, 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Now, we can cancel 5 and 5. Okay. Now, 1 9 is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Here it is minus 6. Here it is minus 6. Here minus 2 goes to the numerator as plus 2. Minus 2 goes to the numerator as plus 2 divided by square root 2 into square root 2. 2. 2 into 5. 10. That is 9 into 10 to the power. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 9, 13. Minus 6, minus 6. Minus 12. Minus 12 divided by. So it becomes 1. So 10 to the power 1. The plus 1 goes to the numerator as minus 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. Anything power 0, 1. So 1 into 9, 9. So force between O and B is 9 Newton. Okay, now do you get it now? Okay, so finally we can go for force between D to O or between O and D. Okay, so force between O and D equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, that is Q naught into QD between R squared. Okay, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, 9 into 10 to the power 9. The charge at the origin, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Charge at D is 5 microcoulomb. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 divided by R square. Divided by R square. So 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 5 root 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. So like that the previous session, what we have studied, like this. 9 into 10 to the power 9, 9 into 10 to the power 9, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, 5 into 10 to the power minus 6, 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Just like that, the denominator also. So, by solving that, we can skip these steps. Then finally, we can go for 9 Newton. Okay. So, from that, what we can say, the force between O and D equal to O and D equal to 9 Newton. Okay, so here we can have minus 5, here it is plus 1. So they are attractive in nature, but it has the greater magnitude, so it attracts more. Okay, now you can see these two. Okay, it's minus 5, it's plus 1, so it's attractive, and it is a greater magnitude, so it attracts out. Now see the direction, both forces are acting in the opposite direction of equal magnitude. So it acts equal and opposite. So equal and opposite. So finally they cancel each other. Okay. So these two cancel each other. These two cancel each other. So that the final force or the net force at the origin becomes 0 Newton. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you any doubt? No doubt.